Hey everyone, how you doing? This is Chris with Patchboy Patches for the Culture. If you're wondering what the Patch Gang membership is, our Patch Gang membership will provide you with exclusive content, which is content not available to the public. Let's go over all the benefits that you will get as a Patch Gang member. First off, you'll receive loyalty badges for each milestone you hit as a Patch Gang member. Next up, you will receive early access to content that we post on our public platform, you guys. Most importantly, you will receive access to downloadable embroidery files that will be available on our private Discord server. So you will have to get a Discord account so that way you can download those embroidery files. Not only that, we will be giving shoutouts to all of our Patch Gang members in our future content. And last but most importantly, you will receive an official members only patch after you have hit the 3-month milestone of being a Patch Gang member. I know what you're thinking. That's some pretty good perks, right? This is Chris with Patchboy Patches for the Culture. Shout out to the Patch Gang.